Hey guys, so today I'm back with another episode of my Moron Test series. And today I'm going to do the light restoration, I think level. And so let's go. The first question looks like basically press any blue button. It looks like this. I don't know if you can really see it that well, but yeah. That's what that one looks like. And I'm gonna press the one in the middle. Press any red button. This is what this one looks like. And then I'm gonna press the one on the right, which does not belong. That's what that one looks like. You press the orange. And then touch third, second, and first. So you touch the word third, then you touch the word second, then you touch the word first. You don't touch the next one cards. The next one card is going to be gray, and you don't trust what it says. I hope my explanations are enough for you. Good job, Smarty Pants. Those pesky gray note cards will always try to trick you, do the opposite of what they say. Had anywhere to continue. You have a pulse. And the question for you have a pulse. How many days are there in 72 hours? And you have to tap the number. There's the number 2, the number 4, the number 3, and the number 5, and you tap the number 3 to pass that. Press any button except orange, and you just follow that instruction. I always press the red one. Touch the giraffes from tallest to shortest, and that is the one on the right, the one on the left, and the one in the middle. Press the green button, and the green, the word green is actually blue, so that's the way it tricks you, but you actually press the green button. Press the leftmost green button, and so there's a blue button, a green button, and a red button on the top, and then there's the green button, a yellow button, and a blue button on the bottom, and you touch the green one on the bottom to pass that. Which piece solves the puzzle? It's Puzzle of a Duck, and you select the piece that is his eye, and it's the piece on the bottom right. Dial 555 done. So it's just like numbers on a phone, and so you tap the 5 button 3 times, and then you tap the 3 button, the 8 button, the 6 button, and the 2 button. Then you have to pay attention, and then it'll show you a note card with 1 red button and 2 blue buttons. Then it'll ask you how many buttons there were, and you press the 2. Don't press the green button, so you wait, and then you quickly press it. And it's another gray card, so we do the opposite of what it says, and it says touch the biggest frog. So we do the opposite of that and touch the smallest frog. Touch the male to continue, and the male, this is the question for the total blown head, by the way. And the word mail is spelled M-A-I-L. So you touch the white envelope and not the sign with the mail on it. So another which does not belong, all these arrows are pointing to the right except for the third one. So there'd be a red arrow pointing to the right, and then that's the first one. Black arrow pointing to the right, that's the second one. And then a red arrow pointing to the left as the third one, and a blue arrow pointing to the right as the fourth one. And you press the third one down, which is the one pointing in a different direction. Press the orange button 7 times. So you press 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it'll move, and then you tap 5, 6, 7, then you wait. Then you touch the giraffe with the longest neck, which in this case is the one on the right. Scare the turtles from smallest to largest. So it's the one on the upper right, then it's the one on the lower right, then the lower left, then the upper left. Touch the gallon that listens to gravity. That one is the one top left. Then you have to pay attention. Touch anywhere to continue. One puzzle piece is missing, and you have to select the one that was missing. And it's the one that is the bottom left-hand corner. So it's the fourth one. The 5 pieces, and it's the fourth one. Set the time to 6:15, then touch the green clock. So to do that, you spin it around until the clock turns green, and then you touch the clock. Average mammal question is touch the genes to continue, and it's not genes like in science, it's genes like in pants. Then touch the correct sun, and it's a sun on the left. Then it said, then it's a sign that says turtle crossing, and then there's a sun on the upper right, and it's the sun on the upper right that you are pressing. Then you press the next 4 blue buttons like really fast. It's one on the left, one on the upper, one on the left, one on the upper left, another one in the middle left, and then one in the lower right. Yes, okay. So, sorry, I had to restart that one like so many times. But touch the frogs from top to bottom. And it's another great card, so we actually touch them from the bottom to the top. So the one in the lower right, and the one in the middle right, and the one in the middle left, and the one in the upper left. So pay attention again. You'll see the numbers 4, 2, and 5. And then multiply the numbers. What's the answer? And of course the answer is 40. And that answer is the one on the bottom right. press the red button 5 times. So 1, and then it'll move, and then you press top right, and then it'll move, and then you press bottom left, then it'll move, and then you press middle left, and then it'll move, and then you press middle left on the top, and then you quickly touch the note card, and then you don't press the arrow. Slightly smart, touch pi as in math and not pi as in this sweet to continue. So you press the 3.14, and it says don't press next note card, touch anywhere to continue, but that is a lie, because that's a gray card and we don't trust that card. So now we touch the medium, the bigger turtle, which is the one on the left, and then just got a text from my best friend, which I'll check after this video. By the way, the one that I just did was one where you need to like flip your screen, and then a giraffe would just like pop up, and then you touch the up arrow on the box, then dial the numbers from 1 to 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa. I need to. I accidentally double tapped the 7. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the 9 and the 8 switch places. So you touch the one on the furthest right first, and then they switch places again, and then you tap in the same place twice, and then it will say, do you see the triangle? Press the triangle to continue. And the triangle it's talking about is the one in the title of the question. And then, very intelligent, touch the fairy to continue. And the fairy is like the ship, not fairy as in like the tooth fairy. So you touch the one on the left. Pay attention. Touch anywhere to continue. And then you'll see 5 blue buttons, 3 red buttons, and 2 green buttons, I think. And then I'll ask how many blue buttons there were. And then you tap the 5, which is in the top right. And then you'll see a hint, which is the turtle puzzle. Tap the box until it opens. So it's a Jack in the Box, and you just tap it until it opens, then you wait, and then it says quick, shut the box, and then you tap it again, and then you turn your screen over, and then until the glass is empty, and then you touch the empty glass. And then, that hint from before, you need to find the missing puzzle piece, which was the turtle's leg. And that's how you get the Certified Genius on the second level of the Moron Test late registration. So, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time with another video. Bye, guys! Nice to see you, geniuses.